Hare Krishna, good evening, welcome all of you all for our regular Saturday evening Bhagavatam class. So we are in the midst of the first canto, chapter number 17, where Kali Purush surrenders to Parikshit Maharaj, and he asked Parikshit Maharaj that please spare me, though Parikshit Maharaj wanted to kill him because he was cutting the four legs of the bull, which represented the four legs of Dharma. And that time, Parikshit Maharaj considered, since he had taken his shelter, and he gave him 5 places to stay. What are the 5 places?
This is where
All the four
we're gambling, where this.
Read verse 1.17.38. Sutta Goswami said, Maharaj Parikshit, thus being petitioned by the personality of Kali, gave him permission to reside in places where gambling, drinking, prostitution, animal slaughter were performed. The personality of Kali asked for something more. No, that's इसके लिए आज तक भी कलयुग का लोगों को है ना कुछ वो एक्स्ट्रा फ्री एक पे एक फ्री आदत उधर से आ गया समथिंग 100 ग्राम पे वो 2000 दाना ऊपर डालेगा तो अपने को अच्छा लगेगा द फोकस इज मोर ऑन द मूसा देन ऑन द सेवरी और भेलपुरी है ना सो पर्सनालिटी ऑफ कली asked for something more, and because of his begging, king gave him permission to live where is gold, because wherever there is gold there is also falsity, intoxication, lust, envy and enmity. तो इन 5 जगहों पे दे दिया. And Kali was also very happy, gave a broad smile. वाह, आपको क्या लगा मेरे राज्य के बाहर रहेंगे, हमारे पास कोई आएगा नहीं. You are going to be a big fool. But you don't understand. I am Kali. I am so powerful. People will come searching for me. I don't have to go searching for the people. I will be so important for them that they will come to me. मुझे बाहर निकलने की जरूरत नहीं. We'll discuss some things very important today when we go ahead. Let's read the next verse. Read.
39 or 40?
39. 40, sorry, 40.
Thus the personality of Kali, by the directions of Maharaj Parikshit, the son of Uttara, was allowed to live in those 5 places.
Yeah, we said go and stay in those 5 places. आराम से जाके रहो. Next.
Therefore, whoever desires progressive well-being, especially kings, religionists, public leaders, brahmanas and sannyasis, should never come in contact with the 4 above mentioned irreligious principles.
That is why Srila Prabhupada used to always specify and mention 4 regulative principles. 4 regulative principles. I used to wonder, just coming from a Brahminical family, for me, I was not touched by these 4, none of the 4 habits. I thought, people will really do this, But then, after coming and becoming a Shiksha Guru here, I realized this is the most loved pastime of the people. Lord has his own favorite pastimes. The people also have their own favorite pastimes. Thanks to Srila Prabhupada's movement, thanks to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that people have got a chance to rectify. This is the biggest advantage in Kali Yuga. One may not be a perfect person. He may be a sinner. But Lord is saying, even if you are a sinner, in Kali Yuga, you have a chance. And that is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave us. So, I'll discuss about a lot of things to discuss.
Thereafter the king re-established the lost legs of the personality of religion, the bull, and by encouraging activities, he sufficiently improved the condition of the earth.
Yes, one more verse.
Maharaj Parikshit. The most fortunate emperor, Maharaj Parikshit, who was entrusted with the kingdom of Hastinapura by Maharaj Yudhishthira when he desired to retire to the forest, is now ruling the world with great success due to his being glorified by the deeds of the kings of the Kuru dynasty.
We will now analyze this chapter number 17. Some more points are there which needs to be analyzed and discussed. Then we will start with chapter number 18. First and foremost, Kali gave one more benediction, or rather one more condition he put forward. In Kali Yuga, in Satyuga, people used to not put efforts in going into bad habits. In Treta, in Dwapar, okay, some people had a propensity, but they used to not put efforts. Here in Kali Yuga, people are going to put extra efforts for doing bad things. They have to put extra efforts. They will be more focused. They will be more, indigenous in attempting in these four wrong activities. And that is the problem in Kali Yuga. Kali says, I don't have to get out of my places. These 5 places I will sit. People will come, drink, do illicit sex, do intoxication, and gambling. They will do. And to fund the other 3 activities, gambling is a part of it. Otherwise, you cannot do all this other enjoyments. So this is going to be an integral part of day-to-day life. And Kali Yuga people will never put efforts in spiritual activities. They will put efforts in these 4. You can see it when you listen to what I'm saying and you see today's situation. आज के ज़माने में जो हो रहा है, जो कार्य हो रहे हैं, जो apps available हैं, जो चीज़ें आपको available हो रही हैं नेट से, जो भी हो, that's another benediction. In Kali Yuga, these resources are made easily available to you. You don't have to take extra efforts. पहले है ना गांव में शराब पीना होता है तो बेचारा आदमी को गांव के बाहर रात को छुप के अंधेरे में ना चेहरे सिर पे कपड़ा डाल के ओढ़ के दूर जाके लेना. आज होम डिलीवरी, Blinkit, and within a minute it will come to your house. You just have to order, just blink a few minutes and it will come. So this is also a benediction of Kali Yuga कि भैया आपको तकलीफ उठाने की जरूरत. The resources will be made available for you to do these nonsense. You don't have to do any special efforts. And now the question raises, why did Maharaj allow Kali to do this? He could have easily killed him, problem solved. एक युगा ही माइनस हो जाता था, है ना? राजा था, he was powerful, strong enough, he could have killed. Why did he leave him? Just because I please मेरे को मदद करो, surrendered? No. Maharaj was very, very intelligent. In Satyuga, okay, how many of you all know the story of Parshuram? परशुराम का स्टोरी कितने लोगों को पता है? नहीं पता.
थोड़ा पता है.
Jamadagni, the father of Parshuram, and Renuka was the mother of Parshuram. So Renuka's job was, there are various ways people say, Acharya say that पहले पूजा के लिए मटका लगता था. So she used to prepare matka daily because you can use gold and silver vessels repeatedly, but you can't use clay pots repeatedly. So you have to keep on doing it. So she used to go to make clay pots. Some people used to say she used to get the water for the puja or for other thing. So the bottom line was she used to daily go to the riverside to collect some ingredients for the puja. There once she saw the king of the Gandharvas enjoying with the Apsaras. And when she saw for a split second, even her mind got little shaken up. Even she also developed a desire. Oh, even I should also have enjoyed these sensual pleasures. See, the Apsaras are enjoying with Chitraratha, king of the Gandharvas. So when this was, it was a momentary thought. Okay, it was not a long thought. थोड़ा समय के लिए आया, तुरंत she said, "Oh, what I'm doing is wrong. I should not get this dirty thought." She went back, and Jamadagni asked her, "Why you are late today?" She didn't say anything much. She just said something gol karke. She went inside. Jamadagni just went through his yogic power. He saw what had happened, and he could realize that his wife had lost her chastity for a split second mentally. Please understand this. Through a mental thing, for a split second, she had lost that chastity. Immediately called his son, eldest son, kill her. One by one, he called all the sons. Another son said, "No, I cannot kill my mother. I cannot kill my mother." Finally, the youngest son, Parashuram, was called. Kill her. Without any second question asked, without a second question thought asked, immediately he took the axe and killed his mother. Not only that, Jamadagni told, "Kill your brothers also." Okay, tap. He killed his brothers also. Then Jamadagni was very happy that you have obeyed my order. Very powerfully, you have obeyed my order without a second thought, without hesitation. You executed my order. Ask for a boon. He says, if you are really happy, you want to give me a boon that I can revive my mother and my brothers back. And they should not remember that even they were killed also. No, that memory should be erased. Jamadagni says, so be it. And he could revive his mother and brothers back. So what do we understand from the story? I'm not going to the depth of the story. I'm just going to the peripherals and going to give you the principle. In other yugas, even by thinking wrong, you get the same sin of doing it, or the same punishment of doing it. पहले युग में अगर मैंने सोचा ये बैग चोरी करो, चोरी का जो पाप है वो लग जाता। कलयुग में एक बड़ा फायदा है, जब तक वो बैग उठा के मैं भागू ना, मुझको कोई पाप लगेगा नहीं। That's why people are able to keep it. So, what is it? See, don't see only the disbenefits. See the benefits. Disbenefits mein, Kali said, yes, people will come, they will put efforts to achieve me. I will not have to take my trouble. They will come searching for me, and the resources will be available by default so that they can get all these 4 activities at the flip of their hand. Today we are having apps for these things. We are having everything. I mean, it's an open secret. There's nothing new about it. No one is ignorant about it. So, what do we understand? These are the drawbacks. But is it a compulsion? It is an option. It is not a compulsion. You don't have to download the app. You don't have to do the dating. You don't have to do this nonsense. It is an option. It's not a compulsion. So Kali Yuga is not making you by force do any of the wrong activities. It is your personal choice. But the advantages are more than the disadvantages. First advantage is, जब तक मैं कोई कार्य न करूं, sinful activity, I do not incur the sin. If that was the that level of sin is applicable today, I mean, there won't be anyone left in this world who is not a sinner. So, जब तक आप पूरा you think about it, you mentally visualize it, whatever you do, still you are not considered a sinner. You are given a chance to save yourself. And the only chance is, don't execute it. Don't execute it. Second, Kalir dosho nidhe raj. अस्ति एक महान पुण्य. यहाँ दोषों का नदी बह रहा है, दोषों का भंडार है. Someone is egoistic, someone wants to show off, someone is, talking arrogantly, someone is talking, some people come into the spiritual life for some material gains. मेरा बिजनेस कॉन्टैक्ट्स बढ़ेगा, इसके लिए मैं आऊँगा क्लास में, मैं मंदिर में आऊँगा तो वहाँ 4 लोग मिलेंगे, 4 गिराक मिलेंगे. That type of mentality people are also coming. But still, that is why he said, कलेर दोषो निधि राजन, दोषों का नदी चल रहा. It's a wholesale market of only doshas. अस्ति एक महान गुण है, एक गुण ही है, महान गुण है. कीर्तनादि एव कृष्णस्य मुक्त संगम ब्रजम भजेत. It is said, just by chanting the holy name, one gets the same benefit of what Dhruv Maharaj got by doing severe austerities, by surviving on leaf for 1 month, water on 1 month, then 1 month he didn't even take air. यहां तक हवा छोड़ दिया था, इतना तकलीफ उठाना. प्रहलाद महाराज को इतना तकलीफ उठाना पड़ा. सब, you see all the other yugas, the challenges were extreme, but in Kali Yuga, very simple. I don't have to do great tapasya, I don't have to do dhyana, I don't have to I don't have the capacity. Physically also we don't have the capacity. We got 101 health issues. What can we do? We don't have jungles to go and sit also and do tapasya. We have to stay in concrete jungles. So kahan jayenge? So now what is left? Simple. Just by chanting the holy name and just following a few rules. Few rules means 4 rules है. और पूजा के लिए पूजा पाठ रोज नहीं करोगे चलेगा. बड़ा सब 10-15 स्तोत्र पढ़ो, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Just get up in the morning, chant a few rounds, offer some food to the Lord, follow Ekadashi. Simple. Do some kirtan if possible, and that is it. For all the sinful thoughts which come in your mind, by default, someone is shouting at you, मन से आवाज आती है, मर जा सके. That's a sin. Mind you, that's a sin. But unless you don't kill him, you don't get the punishment of it. But from the bottom of the heart, you are cursing him. But all given and said, it's a default. It's a default in Kali Yuga. But all given and said, what is the biggest benefit? Just by chanting the holy name, just by refraining from these 4 activities, you are eligible to get the same benefit which in other yugas people had to get it very, very difficult. With great difficulty. Yogis had to sit for hundreds and thousands of years focusing on the 400 form of the Lord in the heart. And how many times they used to get the appearance of the Lord in front of them? Hardly. But in Jagannath Puri, there was a very nice devotee. So I am talking of Kali Yuga only. I am not talking of Satya or Treta Yuga. Kali Yuga. That devotee had developed a stomach problem. And every 2 minutes he would have to pass motion and urine. So that was a big problem for him. So finally they threw him out of the temple. Well, aap bhale pujari ho, but now you are in an unclean state. We can't keep you in the temple. You go out. They went outside. And since he was not coming to the temple, he was not able to come to the temple to aid. He was not even getting prasadam also, Mahaprasad also. So he used to go and he used to complain to God. God, it is not that I have fallen sick. You have made me sick. You have made me sick because you are angry on me. You are not liking me. But I will not leave you. I will do my devotion for you. I will not leave. He was doing sincere devotion. Finally, when a few days happened, he was in such a bad state. His disease became so chronic that he used to pass urine and stool in the bed itself. And he was not able to get up and even clean himself. He was saying, okay, Lord, if this is what you want, fine. One fine day, one young boy came in the house. Let's say, I am an orphan, अनाथ. मेरा कोई घर नहीं है, मेरा कोई संभालने वाला नहीं है. मुझे पता चला आप बीमार हो. तो मैं आपका सेवा करूंगा, इसके एवज में यू जस्ट गिव मी सम शेल्टर, आई विल डू सर्विस टू यू. And he also said, yes, I also need. Then what you will get in my shelter? Just I'll get some normal food you'll get. No, it's okay. And I'll cook for you. Don't worry. We both will have, and then I'll take care of you. And he became more sick within 2 days. And literally he was purging and everything was happening. And this young boy used to take his clothes, spoiled clothes, clothes, all soiled with pus and urine and stool, and he used to wash, clean, dry it up, and take care of this old man, this Brahmana, this Pujari. And finally, after 10 days of service, the Pujari started improving his health. थोड़ा करके उसका तबीयत सुधर गया. Finally, after 15 days, last day, this boy made some nice prasad, kept it over there, and he said, I'm coming, and he went. Now, on the 15th day, the Pujari became quite healthy, all right, fit. He said, okay, very nice, I'm feeling, today I can go to the temple. So he went to Jagannath temple. There he saw a big crowd standing outside. तो क्या हुआ? अरे नहीं, भगवान ना 15 दिन से बीमार थे. 15 दिन से बीमार थे, दर्शन ही नहीं दिया. अच्छा, मतलब जब से मैं गया उस दिन से, हाँ, उस दिन से zero, no one he has not given darshan to anyone. And today the Pandas saw that he is well, and Jagannath Puri the system is different. The Pandas see in water, लोग पानी का एक जल का एक पात्र लेंगे और उसमें देखेंगे, हाँ जगन्नाथ जी उड़ गए, जगन्नाथ जी सो रहे हैं. I don't know how they have got this calculation, but they have this. जगन्नाथ जी उड़ गए, जगन्नाथ जी सो रहे हैं. And they also know जगन्नाथ जी ने भोग खाया कि नहीं खाया. Everything is seen to them in that water. ठीक. So when the pot was opened, he saw Jagannath ji wearing the same cloth which that boy was wearing. He realized that he was none other than Jagannath ji had come to serve him. So this is possible only in Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, people have got more instances of interaction with God than in other yugas. रोना पड़ा गजेंद्र को, पूरा स्तुति गानी पड़ी, तब जाके भगवान आए.
1000 years.
हाँ, 1000 years तकलीफ उठाया वो अलग, ऊपर से ऐसे उसके बाद भी नहीं आया. He had to cry out. Then he had. You see Bhagavatam, entire stutis, you will never see God coming that easily. But in Kali Yuga, appearance of God is the most easiest task for any individual. But still, we are that adamant sect who don't believe in appearance of God. ऐसा कुछ होता है नहीं, unless until we are not, we don't tell this, we cannot do material enjoyment. आप material enjoyment नहीं कर सकते हो unless until you deny the existence of God or the God's appearance for our help or for our sake. You cannot enjoy it. Why people don't have that stone, staggered faith? क्यों नहीं? What is missing? That is what is the speciality of Kali Yuga. In general, people know, they hear, but they don't implement or apply. That is the defect of Kali Yuga. So that's why Kali Yuga is very nice, balanced Yuga. Very nice Yuga. The only Yuga where you do little devotion, you get maximum benefit. Life is also short. So suffering is short. 1000 years Gajendra is suffering in the claws of the crocodile. हजारों साल. And what in Kali Yuga? 1000 साल सवाल ही नहीं होता. 100 years के वांदे हैं. 100 years of survival is a big tough task. So what do we see? What is the benefits we see? The benefit is life. Dukhalayam is there, but the Dukhalayam is वो थोड़ा सा जीना है and you're out. And Krishna's Leela, you mean to say Krishna is not doing Leela today? Ramchandra is not doing Leela today? Every day in and day out, Lord is still doing Leela over here. We have the feeling or where it is happening. We try to have a doubt, or we don't have that 100% faith on God. हाँ भाई भगवान लीला करेंगे, भगवान हमारा साथ करेंगे. और we put conditions. भगवान मैंने इतना माला किया, मेरे साथ कुछ लीला करो. No. Because we don't love him, we still doubt his existence. These are the defects in Kali. प्रायेण अल्पायुष्य सभ्य कलवस्मिन् केचन मंद सुमंद मथयो मंद भाग्य ही पुत्रतः मंद सुमंद मथयो. मथ मतलब हमारा जो मन है, हमारा बुद्धि है, वो मंद है. अगर कोई कंपनी बोलती है ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट खा लो, कोई अच्छी हीरोइन आई है, हीरो आया है, ऐड दे रहा है, ये प्रोडक्ट खा लो, हमारा ये मंद बुद्धि उसको मान लेगा. और सब आचार्यगण चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलते हैं भगवान का नाम लो, भगवान का नाम लो. I can't accept that is. One person comes in your TV and tells you eat this or you wear this, do anything, any product it may be, it's healthy. You eat this, you do this, you will be benefited. You will not be benefited or benefited. I am not debating on that point. When you can believe that, why can't you believe the Shastra and accept that fact that just simply by doing little bit of devotion, one can achieve? That faith is what is the little thing which we require in Kali Yuga. Otherwise, it is not at all a difficult task to achieve God in Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, it's the easiest way. Krishna has done so many leelas for whose pleasure? For his pleasure? For our pleasure. The name Krishna itself is so fantastic. When you read the Katha of Krishna, both in the Garga Samhita as well as in this thing, Krishna, the beautiful incident where Gargacharya is called, Garg Muni is called. He is the family priest, and he is supposed to give the Namkaran and of the children. So, जब कृष्ण और रामचंद्र और बलराम जी दोनों छोटे थे, तब गर्गाचार्य एक दिन पहले आ गए, वन डे पहले आ गए ब्रज में, उनके घर पे, नंद बाबा के घर पे आ गए. तो these acharyas or these sadhus, they don't eat your household cooking. They cook their own food. So they gave him ingredients and they gave him a room also. And Krishna was a toddling child, and quietly watching. And he prepared the food, made nice kheer and everything, and kept it in front of the deity. And then he started ringing the bell and said, "Please, Bhagavan, aake bhog lagao." जैसे वो भोग लगा बोला, Krishna came toddling. Immediately when he ate, this child is so mischievous, it is creating a problem over here. उसको लेके जाओ. यशोदा मैया said, sorry, माफ करो, मैं लेके जाती हूँ उसको. अब वापस से भोजन, ठीक, वापस से सब सामग्री दी, वापस he made second round of cooking he did, and again rang the bell. Again Krishna came toddling. So this time he said, I am going. I cannot. Again, every time he's spoiling the prasad for the Lord. So he said, don't worry, I'll put him inside another room and I'll keep him away. So she put him in another room, closed the door, didn't lock it, she just closed the door, and Krishna somehow standing on the edge from the window is seeing Garga Muni, and he is offering food, preparing food. Now this time he's preparing nice kheer again. He is putting elaichi, kaju, everything, and Krishna is watching everything. And everything is done. The food was prepared. Again, when he rang the bell, Krishna came. And after he finished the mantra, opened eyes, he saw Krishna eating the food. He just put his hand, he just wanted to pull the vessel from his hand. Immediately Krishna showed him 400 form. Showed him 400 form. There is a reason why he showed, Acharya say. Krishna said, see, I am showing you 400 form, there is a reason behind it. First and foremost, what do I do? Every time you're ringing the bell and you're telling Krishna, come and have the food. So if God, you come and have the food. I am God, Supreme God. I have to come and have the food. And if I am having also, is a problem for you. First. Second, tomorrow you are going to make my Janam Patrika. You are going to make my Janam Patrika. So that's the system, right? The Acharya comes and does the Janam Patrika. There you will see that I am Supreme Personality of Godhead. But you should not reveal it. That is why I am showing you now only 400 form. See my 400 form. That means what? Tomorrow you will not, after seeing, making the Janam Patrika, ye to Bhagwan ka Patrika hai. Don't say. Keep your mouth shut. Fine. The next day morning, Gargacharya, he made Patrika. He knew already who is Krishna and who is Balaram. Now what to name to give. And like his tongue is shivering. There's a nice Acharya's bhav in that also. All the alphabets. आपका नाम कोई ना कोई अल्फाबेट से रखेंगे ना, र म क ड भू, कुछ तो अक्षर से रखेंगे. सब अक्षर लड़ रहे हैं जीवा पे. मेरे नाम से रखो भगवान का नाम. मेरे नाम से रखो भगवान का नाम. फाइनली गर्गाचार्य से नहीं, इसका नाम कृष्ण होगा. क्यों? कृष्ण मीन्स, व्हाट डज इट मीन? all attractive. Okay, Karshati Krishna. Another name meaning is he is black. Shyam. And what is that Shyam? How does it define? If you put the 7 colors, the original 7 colors, the Vibgyor colors, and you mix, what color you get is Shyam. This Shyam. It is neither black, it is neither blue. It's a peculiar color. Because Lord is the sole source of everything in this world. So he is in that color. So finally, he calls him Shyam or Krishna. One who attracts and one who is dark. Dark doesn't mean only in the literal sense black or any other so. Now suppose you keep gold in a tijori, but the tijori is very deep. Or you keep something in the well, there's something inside the well. Without the light, what will you see in the well? Dark. But is it dark and the product inside is dark? No. Let's say it's a shining gold, piece of gold or anything. That is definitely bright. But since we don't have the vision and it is since far off, we see it is dark. Krishna is equally in depth. बहुत गहरे चीज हैं. Because भगवान तत्वतः में बहुत difficult to understand. तो इसके लिए आचार्य what do they say? ठीक है, भगवान को तुम तत्व में नहीं समझ सकते हो या तुमको तत्व में नहीं घुसना है, छोड़ दो. सिर्फ भगवान का लीला सुनो, भगवान का कीर्तन करो, भगवान का नाम का गुणगान करो, and that is it. You will achieve God. Be it in the name of Krishna, be it in the name of Ram. You don't have to think, have a second thought over it. How will I achieve God? When will I get God? How will I? Nothing. That is the biggest advantage of Kali Yuga. People don't take the biggest advantage in Kali Yuga. As easy it is to achieve all wrong things in this world, equally easy is today God available by all your technologies. You want live darshan? Anywhere sitting in the world for Jagannath Puri, Vrindavan, ye, wo, bolo wo jagah ka easy access. Right? जितना आपको ब्लिंकिट में दिखने को मिलता है वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी it is easier. जितना आपको you name the prasad you want, name the book you want, name the leela you want, name the katha in YouTube, you name it, everything is available. Flooded, it's in fact flooded with equally with spiritual stuff also as it is with material stuff. So don't have a biased feeling that मैं कलयुग में हूँ, कलयुग. अरे कलयुग में हूँ. Devatas die to have Kalyuga. They are desperate for Kalyuga. क्यों? In Kalyuga only I can come and get the darshan of God and get liberated very fast. 100 साल के अंदर ही liberation है. जो भी है, no time period is fixed. No, you apply for something in the government. आओ 2-3 महीने के बाद come to check the what do you say? What is the update? You'll get after 3 months, you'll get the update. Whereas, and it's unending, never ending. जैसे आपने कोई सरकारी कोटा लिया, खाता लिया तो it can go on and on and on. There is no end. Like court case, you may start in your youthhood. It may end by the end of your life. It may not end by the end of your life. But Kali Yuga, the period is short. तो उस शॉर्ट पीरियड में आपका रिजल्ट गारंटीड है. रिजल्ट गारंटीड मतलब you do something like devotion. If you try to cheat God, no one can be better cheater than God. बस भगवान ने अपने कृष्ण लीला में दिखा दिया किस को बेवकूफ बनाना है. सबको बेवकूफ मैं बना सकता हूँ. प्रभा देवी को बता दिया. प्रभा देवी ने क्या बोला? फर्स्ट प्रभा देवी, प्रभा नाम के एक गोपी थी. Prabha naam, there was a gopi named Prabha. She used to be very specific. Every day she used to prepare the prasad and she used to keep it. That is pakan. She used to keep it in the sink and she used to keep it up and make sure that Lord Krishna, my child Krishna, please come and have it. And the day he came one day, finally he decided. And she was the smart lady of the town. घर में भी होता है ना, एक स्मार्ट लेडी होती है. हर परिवार में एक स्मार्ट लेडी होती है. तो शी वाज अ स्मार्ट लेडी ऑफ द टाउन एंड शी डिसाइडेड कृष्णा कम एंड ही इज ब्रेकिंग द पॉट. आई कैन हियर हिम. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कैच हिम. आई एम गोइंग टू कंप्लेन टू हिज मदर. शी वेंट, कॉट हिम. आज गया and Krishna is crying, oh, you're pressing my hands so much, my hands are paining, please don't press me so much. No, you'll run away, I know. Come, take it. She took him. She took him to Yashoda Maiya. On the way, Krishna said, come, my hand is paining too much. Please change my other hand. Take this hand, leave the other. Take that, it's paining. You're holding so tight. Okay. She took the other hand. And by the time she went there, she started going and shouting to Yashoda Maiya, come out, see your son, hello, useless fellow, breaking my pots. If he wants to eat the makhan, he can eat. But why is he breaking the pots and everything? And Yashoda Maiya came out and she started laughing. Now, what are you laughing? Your son has done such a big mistake and you're laughing. You see whom you bought. She saw it was her own son. It was her own son. And it was not Krishna. She is wondering, where does this fellow go? And why you are always complaining? Yashoda Maiya said about my child. My son is sleeping. He said, I'll call him. See, Krishna. And Krishna came out of the room. Said, yes, I'm sleeping. Why are you disturbing me? No. See, she's complaining that you had gone to the house and broken the pot and everything. See, people are envious about me. So nice I was. I never do any problem. I don't do any mischief. But still, they're complaining. And Prabha Devi, that Gopi, she cut a sorry face and she turned behind, started going. That time Krishna was standing behind the tree. See, next time don't be smart with me. This time I made your son stand there. Next time I'll make your husband stand. Be careful. I'll make your husband stand there. So, the best part is, if you're straightforward with God only wants simplicity in Kali Yuga. And we are all trying to be more complex than the other. हम लोग है ना, the race is not in education. The race is not in becoming intelligent. The race is in how complex I can become. And complex means how easily I can cheat and I don't get caught. That's the complicity. No, we all want to be in the race of getting complex or more intricate. देख कितना अक्लमंदी से मैंने बेवकूफ बना दिया सबको. We take a great pride in this. But Krishna says, with me, just be simple. And Krishna loves, why we offer so much of food to Lord? This is a very true Leela. Braj. Nand Baba had shaligrams. And shaligram puja. And Roj Abhishek. कैसे करते थे? पहले दूध, दही, फिर शहद, honey. And Lord loves all these things. It is said when you do Abhishek, no? Lord sucks milk. He sucks, when you're doing the Abhishek, Lord sucks milk, he sucks the curd, he sucks the honey, all the kesar ka pani and all that stuff, fruit juices, all he sucks. So, whenever Nand Baba used to do, Krishna used to stand there and used to watch, sitting beside him. And he used to, tell, Acha hai, aap Abhishek kar rahe ho, very nice of this saligram. Do one thing now. After doing the Abhishek, you should not immediately wash it. You should allow it for some time and chant one round. एक माला जपना चाहिए और वो भी as per the rule माला करते वक्त आपको चेहरे के ऊपर आँख के ऊपर पट्टी बांध के करना चाहिए. That is a rule, okay? Nobody knows it. Otherwise, you have to be totally cut off, focused only on that. So he told Nand Baba, please you close your eyes, focused and chant. Oh, okay. Nand Baba started chanting. He is very good in giving advice. चाहे वो इंद्र का पूजा हो, यो भी हो, he will give advice. Immediately, as soon as Nand Baba started chanting, he took the shaligram in his mouth, put it in his mouth. Krishna put it in his mouth. क्यों? He was licking it like rasgulla. उस पर दही लगा है, शहद लगा है, माखन लगा है, सब लगा है. All that ingredients what you use for Abhishek, वो सब tasty रहता है. We also love Chandramrita, right? He's putting it in his mouth, and after his round was over, he opened his eyes. Thakurji gayab. Nand Baba was in tension. Yeah, he looked at him. Where is the Thakurji? Could not say anything. He just said, I don't know. He called his wife. Yashoda, देखो कहाँ गए? ठाकुर जी गायब हो गए. तेरे पास है क्या? हाँ? तेरे पास है क्या? कहाँ गया? तू तो बैठा था ना? You were sitting and watching ना? Where did he go? He didn't say anything. Just pinched him, opened his mouth, and inside his mouth was the shaligram. That shaligram is still there. In Vrindavan, it is still there.
Which temple?
At Tapovan, Akshavat. वहाँ पे रामचंद्र जी का मूर्ति है. Where Lord Krishna showed the Rama avatar, and that thing is still there. In fact, there is one shaligram which is brown in color. It is said that Nand Baba had offered pan, and Krishna ate that pan, and along with that he ate he swallowed the shaligram. So वो shaligram brown color का कत्थई रंग का हो गया. There only कत्थई रंग का एक ही shaligram है वहाँ पे. आज भी है. So कहने का मतलब क्या? And the teeth, जो shaligram के ऊपर दांत के निशान अभी भी है. You can see the imprints of the teeth, impression of the teeth on the shaligram, and that is still kept, and that was worshipped by Nanda Baba. So the point what I'm trying to say over here is these leelas are also there, and dirty things are also there. It is our choice which to pick. Don't blame Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga has never put a gun on your neck or on your head and forced you to do nonsense. Never has Kali Yuga forced you to do nonsense. It's your choice. You can choose this part of the spiritual aspect of Lord, or you can choose the way of doing sin or the way to hell. Choice is yours. So by chanting, I always said, problems don't get solved, but of course it facilitates your journey towards God. You can go back to Godhead easily just by chanting, just by taking the name of the Lord. And that is why Parikshit Maharaj, though he knew the drawbacks of Kali Yuga, he knew the biggest benefit, shortest, fastest benefit available was in Kali Yuga. That is why he allowed Kali Purusha to enter his kingdom. Otherwise, he would have not allowed, he would have killed Kali himself. So next chapter is very important. We'll start the next chapter next week. Till then, Hare Krishna to all of you.
This page 44 we don't. Nothing is there.